Today, I'm going to show you a brand new free AI tool that can help you create incredible AI videos with ease. Before we begin, take a look at this channel. The channel currently has around 21,000 subscribers, but its growth is truly impressive. For example, one of its videos uploaded just 3 days ago has already crossed 4 million views, while another video uploaded 6 days ago has gained more than 219,000 views. Many of its other uploads have also gone viral, generating massive engagement and attracting thousands of new viewers. This clearly shows the huge potential of this content style. The best part is that you can create similar videos using AI and build your own successful YouTube channel without needing advanced editing skills or expensive tools. Now, you might be wondering whether this channel is monetized. The answer is yes, it is fully monetized. Based on publicly available estimates shown through Google Chrome extensions, the channel is generating approximately $2.6K per month. That's a significant income from a channel of this size and proves that this niche has real earning potential. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can create similar AI videos step by step using a free AI tool, so make sure to watch until the end. First of all, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, copy the green prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste the green prompt, ChatGPT will analyze it. After the analysis, ChatGPT will ask you to send the channel links. Now open the YouTube channel whose videos you want to recreate. For example, copy the link of the first YouTube channel. Then copy the link of another YouTube channel as well. Paste both channel links into ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT has analyzed everything. Next, copy prompt 1, prompt 2, and the green prompt together. Then paste them into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate a 150-word story along with image prompts and video prompts. You can also request longer stories, such as 500 or 700 words. However, we will create short videos because short videos tend to go viral faster. As you can see, everything is ready now. The story, image prompts, and video prompts. To generate images, I use a website. It is an excellent website, and I use it in most of my videos. Click on Image, then make sure to select the model Phoenix 1.0. Also, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now, copy the first image prompt and paste it into the generator. As you can see, the first image has been created with amazing quality. Do the same with the second prompt, and the second image will be generated as well. Continue copying and pasting the prompts one by one until all your images are generated. As you can see, all the images are now ready, and the results look fantastic high quality and exactly the way we wanted them. Now that all the images are ready, it's time to create AI videos. For that, we will use another website now. To turn the story into a video, I'll use a website called PopVid AI. Yes, it's completely free, and I'll show you exactly how to use it for free. Please make sure to like the video because this is an amazing website. Most importantly, I'll explain how to create videos and how to download them. Open PopVid AI and log in with your email. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard along with your available credits. As you can see, there are 200 credits available, which are enough to create around 20 videos on a single email account. Even after that, the platform may provide additional credits. Click on the Videos section and then select Create Video. After a few seconds, you'll see the Upload option. Upload your first image, then copy the first video prompt and paste it into the prompt box. After that, click Generate. Within 10-15 seconds, the website will generate your video. As you can see, the first video is ready and the quality is excellent. If you want to share it, you can use the share option as well. Now let's create another video. Click Create Video again, upload another image and paste the next prompt. Once you click Generate, the second video will start processing immediately. It only takes a few seconds and the result is fantastic. Now let me show you how to download the video. Click on the generated video and at the top you'll see the download button. Click on it and your original video will be downloaded directly to your device. As you can see, our videos are now ready. Another useful trick is that you can log in using a different browser with another email account. For example, in a second browser, I have another account with additional credits available. This allows you to create even more videos for free by using multiple accounts and browsers. You can see that I have already created several videos on this second browser as well. This is how you can use the platform for free and generate high-quality AI videos. If there's anything you didn't understand, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to reply. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. Another great website is Flow Labs AI. I have created several videos with it and the results are amazing. You can check the quality for yourself. It delivers excellent and professional looking videos. You can easily create videos on this platform without any difficulty. If you want to learn how to use Flow Labs AI, visit the videos on my YouTube channel. In one of my previous videos, I explained step-by-step how to create AI videos using Flow Labs. The platform gives you 150 credits when you first sign up, and after that, it provides 50 free credits daily. This means you can continue creating videos regularly without spending money. You can use either of these two websites depending on your preference. Both platforms are great for creating high-quality AI videos quickly and easily. For voice generation, I use a tool called Unlimited Text-to-Speech. It's a great tool and I've already made videos explaining how to use it. Simply paste your script into the text box, then choose a voice that suits your content. I recommend selecting a storytelling voice for the best results. Once you've selected the voice, click on Generate, and your voiceover will be created within a few seconds. That's it. This is how you can easily generate high-quality AI voiceovers for your videos using this tool. Now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. I'll combine all the AI-generated video clips with the voiceover, then add smooth transitions, cinematic effects, dynamic text animations, background music, and professional enhancements to make the video visually stunning. I'll carefully adjust the pacing, synchronize every scene with the narration, and add creative motion effects to keep viewers engaged from start to finish. Once everything is perfectly synced and polished, your cinematic AI video is ready. Export the project in high quality and upload it directly to YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials. See you in the next video.